and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This storm has the potential to become severe and produce large hail and /or damaging winds.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Tape.
An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County, Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located 6 miles southwest of Albion and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Erie, Girard, Edinburgh, Waterford, Union City, Corry. Northeast, this is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Erie County, Pennsylvania,